Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Backlund, and today we'll be doing a quick walkthrough on the all-new 2019 Sea Ray SDX Outboard. This boat does have the black hull sides, white hull bottom, and stainless rub rail for a very striking combination. And it is powered by the new Mercury 250 Verado 4-stroke outboard. The new outboard is a naturally aspirated V8. So we'll step aboard and take a look. Immediately, first thing we'll notice on the new model is the innovation Sea Ray is incorporated into the design. And with that is a modular rear seating area. Here it is in beach mode, which is slid forward and exposes a huge swim platform, L-shaped seating, and also a cooler on the floor, so you don't have to go all the way into the boat to get another beverage. So stepping in on board, we'll take a look. If you're ready to get underway and head to another destination or home, very easily converts back. You can still see very usable swim platform, but we've just expanded the cockpit by about 1.5 feet. So you get all your seating back for the ride home. Looking forward, you see both backrests on the passenger and captain's chairs flip forward to have rear-facing loungers. Moving up to the dash, captain's chair with flip-up bolster. The Verado is all digital controls and power steering. You do have a 9-inch SimRad display for a chart plotter and bottom machine. Another innovative feature on the 250 sun deck, we have a port side pass-through. What this allowed is the head area is greatly expanded. So we can see very easy entry, usable head space, but also a lot of other storage. A couple of kiddos could even camp out down there, get out of the sun. And we'll move up toward the bow. We have our flip-up windshield. We do have a bow door to keep the elements out if need be, but very nice seating configuration up front. About 3 forward, 3 aft-facing seats, integrated igloo cooler under the forward seat. And we do have a bow boarding ladder as well. So whether you anchor and pull in stern first or pull up right on the beach, easy way to board and access the vessel. And of course we have the Fusion stereo with 4 integrated speakers, all marine grade, and a full bimini top as well. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Backlund at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. So give us a call, come and see our in-stock inventory, or give us a call, set up a demo on the 25 sun deck today and get on the water. Thanks. Happy New Year.